What's the deal, everybody? So today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I created this speak no evil look. So first, you just want to get you some tissue and go ahead and outline around your lips, and then after that you want to just cut around from what you can see. That's all I'm doing, so just go ahead and watch me cut, do what I gotta do. So as you can see, I'm just like placing the tissue so it kind of like fits my mouth, and then I have somewhere to like blend it out to. So you don't want to cut it to the exact size of your mouth, but just like a little bit like out past it. And then I just took my foundation and a stiff brush, that's my Real Techniques dual face brush, and I'm just stippling my foundation all over the mouth part. Now you can use a darker or lighter, it's up to you, but I use the same shade. Then I'm just gonna go in with some purple lipstick and I'm just gonna create this like bruise kind of look around my lips. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm just repeating this step so you guys can go ahead and watch that. So after that, I just got like a hot pink blush, and I'm just adding that to kind of create color. I think by this point I added a second layer of tissue because it kind of ripped. So this was like a trial and error for me, but I made it do what it do. So then I just went in with some black and reds to kind of just deepen up the effects and kind of just make it try to look more realistic. And I did rip a hole at the bottom just to, you know, add some stuff to make it look more Halloween. I really was just winging it and just having fun with this. So yeah, then I just keep going back and forth with kind of the same product to make it look more dramatic. And yeah, so you guys can just keep watching now. So then now I'm just going in and I'm contouring. As far as my regular face go, I honestly just I started to do a little bit dramatic under my eyes, but I decided to just do a regular face. So this is me contouring. I didn't contour with like a super dark shade, just kind of kept it a little neutral. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush and blend that out. So that's just me blending it out, making that big ass forehead look smaller, as you should. So that's me doing that. Then just sometimes I use a smaller brush to contour my nose. Sometimes I just, you know, you kind of can see, so wasn't really tripping too much about that. So you can watch me do that. So now I'm just going in with some Airspun and I'm just carving out my contour to just, you know, make that jawline real nice and defined, keep me real matte. And then I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses powder. It's darker than me, and I use that to powder contour. I did kind of go a little heavy with this stuff just because I want to keep it natural, but at the same time, you know, you got to see my contour. So I just go ahead with that, and you just see me going back with a couple layers, and boom.
Ain't no professional. Before I tell a lie, I won't tell you nothing. Anytime I got you, girl, you my possession. Even if I hit you once, ain't no professional.